Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make redesign of this packaging. It's a milk for cats. It's my cat. Her name is Alisa and I will make redesign of that packaging. Why I don't like it? Too much blue color and no contrast. As well, the information is leaking, it's written in 3 languages and it's not clear. And bright logo, high contrast compared to the overall design. And the price of that milk is €4. And at first, let me show you my redesign. I made 2 versions of that design, white and orange. I add colors, fonts and photos that made the design much better, of course, in my opinion. And now let's go to Adobe Illustrator and I'm going to show you how I created it. Okay guys, here you see the original design, and at first I copied the whole text to the new artboard to see all text of my packaging. Here it is. And what I made after that. I made research on Pinterest, right here, cat food packaging, and searching my inspiration for my design. What did I do? I studied the other packaging, the real packaging of cats food, to understand what must be on my packaging, where must be the information, how it must be look. And the research is very important for the graphic designer to understand the brand, to understand the product, and to understand what design must be on your packaging. And after my research, I created 2 versions of my design. What I made? I create the new logotype here, because logotype here is too bright and old. I created easy line logotype here. As well, I separated the name here and the text here. Here we have 2 languages, milk in English and leche in Spanish and Italian. And as well, here we have 3 languages. It's English, Italian and Spanish. And as well, here they have the same English, Italian and Spanish. And as well, here we have information that it has calcium. And I decided that I need to separate the name and the milk. As well, I need to separate the languages here. 1, here 2, and here the 3rd. And as well, here we have 3 languages, and I decided that 99% of real milk is really imported information, so the buyer of that milk should see that information. And I decided that calcium should be separate, and as well I write organic, because organic is very important for many people, and I decided it should be here. And as well, I have the second version of my design. I decided here to write milk and leche more funny, and the text here as well more funny. The logotype here is pretty easy, and it's just a paw of kitten. And I decided that calcium should be here. I think it's pretty good place for that text. And here 99% for every language here. And I separate here languages with help of the list. In both versions I used 3 fonts, and I used here fonts from Google Fonts. Here you find 100% free commercial fonts, and I used fonts from Envato Elements. To use fonts from Envato Elements, you need to subscribe to Envato Elements. If you don't want to use paid fonts, you always can use fonts from Google Fonts. But of course, paid fonts mostly more interesting than free fonts for commercial use. As well, I found photos for my packaging on Envato Elements, and you can find photos, for example, for your graphic design project, for example, on unsplash.com. Here you find absolutely free commercial use illustrations. And I deleted background on my photos with help of Adobe Express. You can delete background with help of any other application or program, for example, with help of Photoshop, as you like it. And as well, I created 2 different sizes of my packaging. So guys, it was a review to my redesign. How do you like my redesign? Or maybe you like the original packaging? Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my redesign. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos in a graphic design.